We see the picture of the common man all around us, the icon of Times of India. Let's join in saluting him with a common rhythm that all of us are aware of. Come on, we are saluting our common man. And as Indians, we are very good with rhythm, not so much with melody. So let's hear it for Times of India and Crossword. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all the awardees, and thanks, Crossword, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Tawfiq Qureshi. Well, we have 3 more categories of awards to go, so let's get to it. Welcome back to the final award ceremony of the Crossword Book Award 2013, presented to you by Arrow in association with Principal Retirement Advisors. I'd now like to introduce to you the jury members for the Indian Language Translation category, and I'd request them to please come on stage. The jury members for the Crossword Indian Language Translation Award 2013 are Rita Kothari. Rita Kothari is a well-known translator, academic, and columnist from Gujarat, a recipient of several awards and fellowships, and author of noted books such as Translating India, The Burden of Refuge, Chutneyfying English, The Stepchild. Kothari was formerly with St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, MICA, and now with IIT, Gandhinagar. That's Rita Kothari. Supriya Chaudhary. Unfortunately, she is not present here today, but Supriya Chaudhary is an internationally reputed Bengali Indian scholar of English literature. She is a professor at Kolkata's Jadavpur University. She joined the faculty of Jadavpur University after having taught at Presidency College and Calcutta University. She is in charge of the UGC-funded research program of the university's English department. She specializes in the history of ideas. That's Supriya Chaudhary for you. Next up, Dilip Kumar. Dilip Kumar is a well-known short story writer and an editor in Tamil with several awards to his credit. He has published 3 short story collections. He has also translated poems, short stories, etc. from Hindi, Gujarati, and English into Tamil. Most recently, he has completed editing a huge volume of 100 years of Tamil short stories, translated into English to be published by Westland Limited. And now we will announce the shortlisted nominees for the Crossword Indian Language Translation Award 2013. I would request the shortlisted authors to please come up on stage as I call out their names to collect their certificates from our jury members. The nominees are Fish in a Dwindling Lake by Ambai, translated by Lakshmi Hallstrom, Penguin Books India. Could somebody from Penguin please come and take the certificate? Thank you. A Life in Words by Ismat Chugtai, translated by Dr. M. Asaduddin, Penguin Books India. Our next nominee, A Life Long Ago by Sunanda Sikdar, translated by Anchita Ghatak. Zuban Publishing.